Hey guys, I have been slammed today. I finally got ran off the road by the rain, sent home. Had to call it quits. I got two calls today for you that I'm gonna put them together because they're very similar and they both are producing more work. At least I hope so. I'm tired of working and diagnosing and not getting the job when I submit an estimate. I know I got the job on one of them. I'm hoping on the second. Stay tuned, here it comes. Okay, that is not a good sound.
What is?
That little clicking you hear? You hear that little bit of clicking?
Yeah.
That's it, that's your compressor.
Oh my.
And it starts to sound like that when it's starting to pull into a vacuum.
Okay.
So whatever it is, a restriction or low on refrigerant, is probably going to involve opening the system.
Whatever you have to do, please.
Oh, let me get you an estimate before you tell me something like that.
Well, as long as it ain't something outrageous.
I think we are really low on refrigerant.
I don't know where you live. You live in Daughter County.
I do.
You know we had a.
What I'm really looking for is like an oil spot or something. Tell you what, 90% of that looks good. Maybe not.
I'm looking at that 90 right there.
That connection where it goes from copper to aluminum.
Yeah.
That does not look that great. Let me get a look. This is my standing pressure, 42 psi, which means there's not a lot of pressure. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this other panel, and so we can check. And I might charge with nitrogen. Let's get a little bit of pressure in the system.
Okay. Oh, I forgot you called it. I'm thinking you called it.
All right, that looks like a lot of pressure. 400. And it seems to be dropping fast. Let's see if we can find it. Come on. I don't specifically hear anything right now. All right, let's get out the ultrasonic right now. Woo. See if I can find a way for y'all to be able to hear that. Could you hear it?
Yeah.
That's where your leak is.
And what is that called?
That's going to be a condenser coil, and this type of coil is a micro channel coil. You may have seen coils that look like this on radiators.
Right.
But yeah, we're going to need to replace this coil. I'm going to verify with that other leak detector, but that's where it is. All right, we are on medium here. I'll try to show you. And that goes all the way up.
Yeah.
So that's when the leak is. I want y'all to hear something I'm hearing. Can y'all hear that? That is a leak. I don't know if y'all can hear it. If I can try to amplify that sound, I will. That's got to be right where it is. Got to be. I can hear it. May not be right there. I don't need a leak detector for that one. I can hear it. Those are the numbers off the coil. That's an R22 system. I think it's time for a change out. That coil would be hugely expensive if I could find it. For one, it's old, and second, it's a train, which means it's going to cost more. Let's work on an estimate for her. Come on. These spray things never work. I know y'all can hear that. If it's making that much noise. All right, y'all hold on. I'm gonna try to make it so you can hear. I poured bubble stuff all over that. Okay, I don't need to pinpoint it to know we got a leak. I do hope you enjoyed the videos. The first one with the condenser coil, I got approval for that right away. And I'm having that coil overnighted via air. So hopefully I might have that by the weekend. And the second one, I submitted an estimate for an ACiQ heat pump and the rood that I used to install, which is kind of like the one that was next to it. And there was only about a $400 difference between the two estimates. A 14.3 SEER rood with 7.5 kW and an ACiQ inverter heat pump with a 60 amp disconnect surge protector. Don't really need heat strips. That would be a nice system to install. I hope I get either one of them. I hope so. It's kind of hard going out giving estimates and then not getting the work, so I hope I get that. If y'all want to be an ACiQ dealer, check out the description in the link. And that leak detector I use, the AccuTrack, I'm gonna make sure it's in the store. Catch y'all on the next one.